What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be playing the Chase Roulette game. So let's go ahead and roll that intro and let's get this video started. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be playing the Chase Roulette game. I bought a total of 4 Funko Pops from the Funko shop. They are Funko shop exclusives. They're the John Lennon, I think it's black and white, and sepia. That's the name. Sepia. We're going to try to crack 4 of these pops and see if we can get at least one chase. That'd be nice. I am recording this video at like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, so not my normal hours. Hope we can get one chase. That would be pretty cool. Alright. I don't know if the top is different, but there it is right there. So 3, 2, 1, bam. We did not get a chase. Now I think I am like 3 and 2 in the Chase Roulette game. I've lost more rounds than I've won, I believe. Alright, there's the top. Bam. Not the chase. We need at least one chase here. Come on. Let's get some luck. Alright, there's the top. Oh, we did it. We hit the chase. Holy crap. Okay, so let's take a look at this really quick before we open this last one. Alright, so it is not in black and white. You can see there's color within the pop. And then the chase is actually sepia, or it's black and white. No, it is in black and white. I think there's another I think the common has a chase version, and this is the Funko Shop exclusive one, but it doesn't have the Funko Shop exclusive sticker on this one either, so I'm not sure what's going on there. It's just in black and white. We'll take a look at it in a second after we open this last one. Last one to get the chase. Hopefully we get the chase. That'd be pretty cool. Well, we got one chase. We don't need 2, but... Alright. For all the money in the bag, will we get 2 commons and 2 chase pops? I don't know. There we go right there. There's a top. I'm gonna do it this way this time. Bam! No, we did not get the chase, but that's alright. We got at least one chase, and that's really what I wanted, is one chase. We got one chase. Let's go ahead and crack this open and see what it looks like outside of the box. That's pretty cool. We got the chase. There he is right there. Really freaking sweet looking. It's just in black and white. I think his common counterpart is in black and white. No, I forget. You'll see it on the screen right here, but I'm pretty sure there was like a sepia chase variant. I'm not really sure, but there he is right there. Pretty cool. He's in black and white, and this one right here is pretty freaking sweet. There we have the common / Funko Shop exclusive, and then here we have the chase, which is a Funko Shop exclusive chase. But the box did not have a Funko Shop sticker, so maybe I need to contact them and tell them to send me a sticker. I don't know. But there it is right there. We got the chase. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.